Hello everyone, my name is Eleni Gokinu and I'm from Cyprus. I work at Olisoft and welcome to ISE. And today I'm going to show you the queuing system. So you come here to the kiosk and then you choose the category that you want to get served. So first you can either type what you're looking for, or you can just tap and choose the category that you want. And also how many items of this category you want. As soon as you're ready, you can print your ticket. And then it will come out from here with all the information of your ticket, like the number, the category you chose. And as soon as you're ready, you can go to the desk in order to be served. If you want to find out more information, please find us in olisoft.com.